Good morning. Today is Monday, April 20th. Today you will be completing pages 9 and 10 of your math work packet. So we have done this before. We're going to work on the box method and review over that again. And whenever we were doing some bigger multiplication, the majority of you seem to like the box method better. So we're going to talk about the box method and then I'll give you instructions for your worksheet. So if we notice here, let's just look at this problem. This is the top of page 9. We have 19 times 3. Now the answer is already given, but let's pretend like that's not there right now. Okay, so in order to figure out what 19 times 3 is using the box method, you have to take 19 and split it up into the values of each digit. So the value of this 1 is a 10, and the value of this 9 is 9. Okay, let's erase that stuff. And then your 3, whatever number it's being multiplied by, goes on the side. Now, if you think that putting that multiplication sign at the side of the box would help you, go ahead and write it in. So next, you're going to take each number on top, and you're going to multiply each number by 3. So let's take 10 times 3. 10 times 3. If you need your multiplication chart, go ahead and get it out. 10 times 3 is 30. Next, we'll do 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. After you find the numbers that are in these boxes, you're going to add them together. And when you add 30 plus 27, you get the answer of 57. Now let's go ahead and do one of these together. 17 times 9. What's the first step? First step, I need to split up 17 into its digit values. So the value of the digit number 1, it's in the tens place. So that's going to be 10. The value of this 7 is 7. It's being multiplied by 9, so I'm going to write 9 on the side. Next, I take 10 times 9. 10 times 9, if I look at my multiplication chart, 10 times 9 is 90. 7 times 9, same thing. Use your multiplication chart if you need one. 7 times 9 is 63. Okay? Final step. You're going to take the numbers inside of the boxes and you're going to add them. 90 plus 63. 0 plus 3 is 3. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 17 times 9 is 153. Whoop, whoop, we just did multiplication using the box method. Now, for the rest of this worksheet, there are 6 problems left. I want you to choose 3. You only need to choose 3 problems to do. So I could choose this problem, and this problem. That's great. You can choose those problems or pick 3 different problems that you'd like to do. It does not matter. Just choose 3. For page number 10, it's going to be the same thing, but it's just going to be the next step up. So it's a 3-digit number multiplied by a 1-digit number. There's an example here if you need one, but I'm going to go ahead and model one just so I can talk you through each step. So 121 times 8. I'm going to do the same thing. If you want to start by putting your multiplication sign, that's awesome. I'm going to write 121 up here. What is the value of each digit? The value of this 1, it's in the hundreds place. It's 100. The value of this 2 is in the tens place, so it's 20. The value of that last 1 is 1. Everything is being multiplied by what number? 8. 8 still goes on the side. Alright, so with this kind of multiplication, remember the step that I taught you, or the trick that I taught you. is to ignore these numbers here. And then we'll come back to them later. What's 1 times 8? Any number times 1 is itself. So 1 times 8 is 8. Now this is where those zeros come back into play. There are 2 zeros at the end, so I'm going to add 2 zeros to my answer. 100 times 8 is 800. Same thing here. If I want to ignore this 0, I can. What is 2 times 8? If you use your multiplication chart, you'll learn that 2 times 8 is 16. I can't forget about this 0 right here. There's 1 0 on the end, so I add 1 0 to my answer. And then we've already solved 1 times 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Last step, you're going to take these 3 numbers and add them together. So we have 800 plus 160 plus 8. Now it's going to be very important that you line up your numbers according to their place value. If I stuck my 8 over here, that's going to change my answer completely. So make sure that you're putting your numbers in the correct place value. So let's add 0 plus 0, I'm going to start in the ones place. 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 6, 6. 8 plus 1 more is 9. So 121 times 8 is 968. Okay, again for this page, there's 6 more problems to do. I want you to choose 3. So pick 3 problems and complete those, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.